Hello children, welcome to Fun Learning channel. Today we are going to do class 4 science topic plants. So let's get started. We see large number of plants around us. Some are small and some grow tall and some are huge. Very small plants are called herbs. For example, coriander, dill, celery, basil, mint and parsley. Shrubs grow larger than herbs, and their examples are rose plant, tulsi plant and hibiscus plant. Trees grow tall and strong. Examples: mango tree, banyan tree and coconut tree. The plant body consists of first the root system and second the shoot system. The root system grows under the soil while the shoot system grows above the soil. The root system. There are two kinds of roots. First, tap roots and second, fibrous roots. Tap roots has one main root and number of branches in it, while the fibrous roots has a bunch of roots arising from the base of the stem. Next, functions of root. The root has two major functions. They are: first, it fixes the plant firmly to the soil, and the second function is it takes water and minerals from the soil and sends to the upper parts of the plant. The stem is the main and strongest part of the shoot system. It bears branches, leaves, flowers and fruits. Functions of stem. It has two main functions. It gives strength to the plants and helps it to stand straight. The second function, it takes water and nutrients to the different parts of the plant. Next we move to leaf. The leaves are flat green colored parts of plant. Leaves come in different shapes and sizes. Some are small, some are large, but mostly they are broad, flat and green. Parts of a leaf. The large flat part of the leaf is called the lamina or leaf blade. There is a midrib. A number of veins arise from the midrib, and the base of the leaf is called the petiole. The main function of the leaves is to prepare food for the plants. Plants are the only living things that can make their own food, and plants have a large number of leaves to do this. Hence they are called food factory of plants. Photosynthesis. It is the process by which plants prepare their own food. Plants take water from the ground and carbon dioxide from air and convert them into food. This happens with the help of sunlight and chlorophyll. Chlorophyll is the green colored substance present in the leaves. Next we come to stomata. The plants have very tiny pores on their leaves. These tiny pores on the leaves are called stomata. Gases like carbon dioxide and oxygen enter through these. Plants use the food they prepare for survival and growth. Any excess food formed is stored up in different parts of the plant body. Plants store their food in fruits, roots, leaves, stem, etc. Plants storing food in their roots. Examples: beetroot, radish, carrot, turnip are plants that store food in the roots. Plants storing food in their stems. Potatoes and ginger are examples of plants storing food in their stems. Plants storing food in their leaves. Spinach, amaranthus, lettuce, cabbage are examples that store food in their leaves. Plants storing food in their flowers. Broccoli and cauliflower are plants that store food in their flowers. Plants storing food in their fruits. Apple, pineapple, mango, lychee, guava are examples of plants that store food in the fruits.